Oh, no, 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 no.
It's calling me like the rainbow. It's calling me like the rainbow. The rainbow. It's calling me.
Jesus. Okay, and that's how bad the focus is on the A7R3. Hey guys, I'm Vedant and Hey guys, I'm Vedant and welcome back to my second video. In this video, basically, I'm unboxing the new VideoMic Pro Plus from Rode. I got this 3 or 4 days ago and I really needed it because I don't know if you follow me on Instagram. Hey guys and welcome to my second video. I'm making this video basically to show how Hey guys and welcome to my second video. I am making this video showing you the unboxing of the new VideoMic Pro Plus. I've already unboxed it and I shot that bit of the video. But basically the reason I got this is because the other Rode mic that I was using, it's a much cheaper one, I don't know the name, it's the cheapest one that they have. It broke in my bag. It was a little fragile, but I replaced it as soon as I found that out. The Rode mics have always had a quality product that they give out, so I'm happy to upgrade. But keeping that in mind, I also wanted to tell you about this new screen that I got, which is what I'm looking up to all the time. It's the Digic High Definition LCD monitor. I don't know if you can see, and I need to tell you about it. It's bullshit. It's so bad. There's nothing about this monitor that's good. There is no clarity. The exposure is way off. The colors are blown out. Nothing about it is good. I will be returning it. I did not like it to the tiniest bit. Also, what they don't tell you is that it does not really come with a power adapter, so that's something you have to buy extra, which is another, I think, $35 to $40. So without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing of the microphone. So if you made this far into the video, I really hope that you can go and like the video and hit that subscribe button. It helps me and it supports me so much. I'll see you in the next one soon. Thank you guys. See ya.